Hello, this is Sarah Emery with Concentrus. Today I'm sharing a short and sweet tip for checking your account usage. So this is something that you're going to need to be in an administrator role to do, but if you ever have questions about how much of a certain allocated quantity you've used in your account, there's an easy way to look that up. If you go to Setup Company and all the way down at the bottom, View Billing Information, this will give you a breakdown of what you've paid for and how much you're using toward that number. So once this loads, we'll be able to see provisioned quantity and used quantity. So you can see here, these are all of the standard billable components. A common one is full licensed users. So you can see here, this account has 20 provisioned users. We've used 16 of those 20. You can also see other things like subsidiaries. If you have Suite Commerce Advanced, you can see some of that information. Web store items, all kinds of other data. You can also take advantage of these other tabs here to look at things that you've purchased that are add-on modules. So you can see whether or not they've been enabled. So in my demo environment, we have quite a few of the add-on modules that we've quote unquote paid for. And then add-on bundles. These are also generally things that are paid or have to be provisioned. So you can see these here. And provisioning history. So this is really helpful if you're trying to understand when something was added to your account. So this will allow you to see, you can see here, for example, the subsidiary count was changed from 10 to 20, and this is the date that it happened. So this gives you just a really helpful overview of your account, what you've been provisioned and what you've used toward that provisioned quantity. It's also a great checkpoint if you are looking to see if you've been provisioned something that you purchased mid account period. So, if you had a mid-year addition to your contract, you can see to make sure that it was provisioned to you here. Hopefully you found that information helpful. I know a lot of users don't know that this is here, so this is a common question I get about what is available, how many licenses have been used, what bundles we have, things like that. So I hope you are able to take advantage of this page. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.